Hi everyone, J Mark here. Welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. In our last video, pinag-usapan natin all about investing in the real estate and how did I started investing in the real estate. And ngayon naman, yung pag-uusapan natin is another type of investing wherein pwede nating palaguin yung ating hard-earned money, and that is the stock market investing. So before we start, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga next videos. So every day po tayo nag-upload ng videos, so stay tuned. So if you're interested and if you want to learn on this video, so keep watching. So ayun nga no, yung pag-usapan natin for today is all about stock market investing and ano ba yung mga common myths or mga maling paniniwala when it comes to investing in the stock market. But first, explain ko muna ano ba yung investing in the stock market. So investing in stock market in layman's term is that you are investing or bumibili ka ng shares ng isang kumpanya. So what does it mean? If you are buying shares or shares as in a little portion of that company, meaning you are investing on that company or having a part ownership with a certain company. Example, bumili ka ng stocks ni Jollibee. So, bili ka ng shares ni Jollibee, no? So, pag bumili ka ng shares ni Jollibee, what does it mean? You have a little portion of Jollibee's company, and in return, if Jollibee make good or lumago yung business nila, then of course, tataas yung value ng per share and of course, you will reap the rewards of your investment. So yun po yung ibig sabihin ng investing in the stock market. And of course, investing in the stock market dahil hindi siya masyadong kilala sa Pilipinas, most probably sa news, narinig mo yung paggalaw ng stock market or merong mga stock options or stock brokerage na binabalita not only in television but of course in social media platforms. So most probably narinig mo na yung stock market, and there's a lot of misconception, wrong myths or mga maling paniniwala in investing in the stock market. At una na nga po dyan, number one is sa stock market daw is it's only for the rich. So you know, so pangmayaman lang daw yung stock market investing, which is very wrong. So, mali po yan because stock market is for everyone. So, lahat po pwede po mag-invest sa stock market just like me. Hindi naman po ako mayaman, no? Average lang po yung kinikita ko, but I can invest in the stock market. Meron po tayong mga members sa team natin. So, you can join our financial team, no? Sa ating ING family. So, you can join us as well, no? Para maka-learn ka rin investing in the stock market. So, yun nga, number one is, most of the people think na investing in the stock market is reserved only for the rich, yung may mga pera lang, yung may mga kaya lang. But you know what? Even me, average lang yung kinakita. Meron akong isang member na, construction worker. That person can invest in the stock market. Meron na bang isa is, may-ari ng sari-sari store. So, si ate, no, investing also in the stock market. So, everyone can invest in the stock market. And number two myth is that you need at least 100K to 1 million na investment para magsimula sa stock market. So that's very wrong because in the stock market, if you will invest indirectly, or what does it mean investing indirectly in the stocks? Investing in mutual funds, pwede ka naman magsimula kahit 1,000 pesos lang, no? Because that's how I started. I started with my 1,000 pesos in my pocket, so I already invested in stocks. And of course, no, minimum niyan na mag-top up ka or mag-add ka ng investment sa stocks, usually minimum niyan is 500 pesos for mutual funds. Pero kung magda-direct stocks ka naman o magda-direct trading ka naman, so of course, kailangan mo ng at least 5,000 up to 10,000 minimum as your trading, no? Trading start as your trading fund, no? Kung magti-trading ka or direct trading ka, single stocks. Ayun, also, if you want to buy stocks, example, Jollibee, or Ayala, or SM, so if you want to buy stocks of them individually, so you can do that by direct stock trading. So, ikaw mismo yung magti-trade at magmamaneho ng stocks mo para lumago. And another myth, no? Number 3 is that yung stock market daw gambling or sugal. So you need to understand na yung stock market is not sugal or gambling. Of course, risk is there because all investment, sabi nga ni Coach Marvin Germo, all investment have their own risk. Depende sa investment na pinapasukan mo. But you need to understand, the higher the risk, and of course, the higher the returns. The lower the risk, the lower probability of returns. But ang maganda lang sa stock market is meron siyang risk, but it is a calculated risk because you can analyze, no, yung galaw ng stock market. So there are traders na magagaling, no, when it comes to fundamental and technical analysis. So meron mga traders na magagaling, experience in the market, no, magagaling. So we can learn from them. And of course, if we will ask them, you will know that stock market is not literally gambling, no. Kumpara mo naman sa sugal talaga, no. So ano ba yung mga example na sugal? Sugal, no, poker or anything, no. Sugal, mahjong, or kung ano pa man yan, online sabong, no, something like that, no. So stock market, hindi po ganyan because sa stock market, you have the risk, but the risk is calculated, or you can even learn, no, from those people or expert in the stock market field. So, and of course, and yung last natin, number 4 is stock market investing has a very high risk. So, you know, sometimes it's true. So, totoo talaga yan na meron talagang mataas na risk yung sa stock market investing. But you need to understand, depende kasi yan sa risk appetite ng person. So, just like me, I'm aggressively, moderate to aggressive type of investor, meaning, doon ako nag-invest sa mga investment, sa mga stocks, no, na very high yung chance na mag-grow at very high din yung chance na mag-flat or mag-crash, no, so something like that. But there are people, there are also type of investment in the stock market wherein if you are a conservative type of investor, so actually in stocks, in the indirect investing, you can invest in bonds, no. So yung bonds kasi maliit lang yung returns niya, but at least your funds are safe, but the returns are not that great. So yung risk kasi sa investing in the stock market, it's already there, but it's up to you kung ano yung risk appetite mo. Kung long term ka naman, just like me, then of course it depends on you, no, kasi hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na you can invest right now just because sinabi ko na magandang mag-invest dito, no, na kahit di ka naman pala aggressive, no, conservative naman yung type of investing mo, or siguro most probably moderate ka lang. So I cannot say, but of course you always need to do your due diligence, not only in the stock market, any investment na papasukan natin, always put in your mind na kailangang pag-aralan, no, and at the same time always sabihin mo sa sarili mo na before ka papasok sa isang bagay, kailangan mo munang mag-do ng own research para hindi ma-biktima yung pera natin, because sabi nga ni Chink, the greatest teacher is disaster in our finances. So yun lang kaibigan for today, and of course for more topics, huwag kalimutang i-click yung subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga video. So everyday po tayo nag-upload para po masamahan ko po kayo sa inyong financial journey. Again, this is your friend and your coach dito sa YouTube channel, J. Mark, na nag-iwan ng katagang, ang planong paglago at pagyaman ay pwedeng pag-ipunan. Maraming salamat po and shalom.